So, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And yes, it's day 7 of the SQL Basic to Advanced. And if you have still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video. So today we are going to let's see about like MCQs, multiple choice question of the SQL, which were lots of asked in the placement or interview section. So let's get us started. So the first one question is that what does SQL stand for? So the abbreviation of SQL is that standard query language. No, structured query language. So the answer is A. SQL stand for a structured query language. It is a domain specific language. We cannot say SQL is a programming language. Okay. Used to manage and manipulate relational database, SQL provides a standardized way to interact with database, enabling user to perform tasks such as querying, updating, and managing the structure of data. Okay. So the second question is that which of the following is not a valid keyword in SQL? So valid keyword like select, delete, where, yes, it's a valid keyword, but include, there's the no anyone keyword like include. So yes, the answer is D. So why we are using select? We are using select keyword for retrieving the data from the table, and we are using the delete keyword to delete record from the table, and where is used for the used for the filtering or for the specific condition. Okay, we are using, and there is the no anyone standard key value like include. The third one is question that compare. How can you compare two values in the SQL? So generally when we do coding like in Java or in Python, so we are using equals, but in SQL we are using this sign. Okay, so this operator in SQL used to compare two values for inequality if it check if the value on both sides are different. So the fourth question is that what is the purpose of SQL keyword distinct? So basically distinct in a select statement. Why we are using distinct? Distinct is used for the retrieve unique value. Like there's the lots of names like Nick, John, and I just want to like unique key, unique data. So unique data is only two type like Nick and John. So it is used to retrieve unique value from a column. Okay. And the fifth one question is that which of the following tasks cannot be accomplished using SQL? Okay, which one cannot be accomplish the task by the using of SQL? So creating, modifying database, yes, we can easily do. Writing complex algorithm. So if we were talking about the algorithm or complex algorithm, so we will use like DSO or something. Okay, retrieving data, yes, we can easily retrieve the data with the help of select statement. Adding new data in a table to the database, so we can easily use alter and update kind of things. Okay, so SQL is not primarily designed for writing complex algorithm for data analysis. Other language like Python and R, yes, suitable for this task. Which of the following is the basis of SQL? Which one is like RDBMS? Yes, Relational Database Management System. Basis for SQL for all modern database systems such as MS SQL Server, IBM, DB2, Oracle, MySQL, and Microsoft Access. Okay. So, which one we can use to separate a statement? Like, if I just wanted to terminate the line, like I written the whole query and I just want to terminate the line. So, or also we can say that separate SQL statement. So we can easily use semicolon D. For the eighth one question is that which statement are mandatory in simple SQL select the statement simply query which will we execute, like I just want to retrieve the data. Okay, for the select statement, but if you want to retrieve the data with the help of select, but you just from which table you just wanted to retrieve the data, so I just say that like select, like whole data you just want to retrieve, select asterisk from the table. Okay, so I can easily say A. The answer one is that A. Which of the following is a default join type? Which one is that default join type? Is that inner join. Inner join selects record that have matching value in both the table. It is the default join type. So if we just type join without specifying any other condition, so it will be done right in a join. Which of the following command is used to create database in SQL? Simple. We can write create database and then database name. And after that, if you want to use the database, you can easily write use database. Create command is used to create a database in SQL. The same command can be used to create a data table within the database. The insert command is used to insert data inside the table. And if you want to insert the data, so you can easily write insert data. Okay, and then table name and all the syntax. Table, which of the following statement is true about views in SQL? So firstly, let me tell you what is views. So when the like rows and column will mix, so the rows will easily denoted as like views. Okay, and explanation. So the answer is that we can insert and delete row in a view. Okay. What is the full form of PLSQL? So PLSQL is that procedural language, not a programming language. It's a procedural language, and it is a block structure language that enable developer to combine the power of SQL with procedure language. Okay, so which of the following can execute a trigger in PLSQL? Okay, so let me firstly tell you what is the trigger. A trigger is automatically executed by the Oracle server. Yes, a specified event occurs, a user can create and store a trigger and specify when to execute it, but the its execution is done by the server. So the answer is that Oracle server. We can easily execute trigger inside the Oracle server. Which of the following SQL statements select only unique values? Section, column of table school. Okay, distinct unique value, so we can easily say distinct, and here select distinct section for school. So you don't need to learn all the like code. You just need to take a look like is there any distinct inside my query. So yes, okay, so just choose the distinct. Which SQL keyword is used to sort the data written by a select statement? Okay, if you want to sort the data, you can easily use order by. Order by is used for arranging the data in the ascending order, or we can see, we can easily say like that it is used to sorting the data. Okay, the SQL like operator is used in which of the following clause? So here I can easily say there is a clause like limit clause, where clause, and here is the where clause. Where clause is just for the filtering the data, or you just wanted to adding some condition. So yes, today we have done like 16 questions, and in another video I'll do more questions related to the placement series. So yes, please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.